and welcome to my channel Booking to Read a Book. Today I have a question. Do you speak English? If your answer is no, then I'll suggest you three books that will help you to improve your basic language of English. The first one is Everyday Reading Book for Everyone. This book includes more than 500 phrases for the beginners to learn and improve their English speaking skills. The second book which I suggest you that is English Tips for Beginners. This is a wonderful book because here it has been mentioned some helpful tips whereby you can improve your English language. The third book is Grammar Hit. It will help you to learn the basic as well as the intermediate level of grammar to improve your writing skills. So these are the three books which I suggest you to buy and learn the basic English language. If you would like to purchase this book, there is a link mentioned below in the comment box. You can also visit my author page for more such ebooks and paperbacks for kids and learners. Till then, bye bye. See you.